Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to hard reset itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, so if you forget your password, so okay guys, this is the solution for your problem. And okay, the first things you can do is turn off your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. Okay, power up this your mobile phone. And okay guys, once the mobile phone is turned up, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the volume down and the power button. Once the logo of itel is show, okay, release the power button. And okay guys, that's it. Release the volume down and you can see the Android recovery option. Okay guys, here in Android recovery option, you can see the reboot system now. Now okay guys, to select the Android recovery option, you'll have to do is press the volume down or up to move. And okay guys, to select, so okay, you'll have to do is select the wipe data factory reset. You'll have to do is press the power button. Okay, and okay, move again and to yes, then press again the power button. And okay guys, so okay, here you'll have to do is select now the reboot system now. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press the power button to select. And your mobile phone is restart. And okay, just wait a couple of minutes. And okay guys, okay, you can see now here the language of your mobile phone. So okay, tap the start button and tap the skip. Okay, and okay, connect to Wi-Fi, so you can skip this and tap the continue. And okay, tap the next and next again. Then okay, protect your phone. Okay, tap the not now and tap the skip anyway. And okay guys, here in Google Service, scroll down and tap the accept button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully hard reset the itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.